Back on the water, I immediately started to fix the working jibe. First time alone on the sailboat, but with motor. I'm just going to the next bay because there are not so many chitras. On the water again! And back to the roots, back to the roots. I'm arriving in Lincoln Bay now.
See, I've been watching you. See, I've been watching. I know your memory. I know your memory.
Just have been to Lincoln Bay for some screws which I will need for the wood, which I will modify for putting the outboard motor on the sailboat. Now back to the boat. Yeah, I've just finished this project here. Now I have to cut the screws because they are too long. It's where the outboard engine will get on the boat if we are on a trip. This is the old one. It totally breaks out, so it was for a 20 kilo motor but not for a 50 kilo motor. So now this is strong, this is tropical wood, power wood. It was a hard night because it was shaky all the time, thunderstorm all the time, a lot of rain as you can see. Yes, I'm still working on the electricity of the new autopilot with a lot of cables. So now I will start to change this panel here because it's already broken. So I will do all this new. This is my next step. And I also have to check these two instruments if they are still working. I think I have lost a lot of fat already and I get it shredded because I only eat eggs and beans for 3 weeks, man. But afterwards I will bump up a little bit, make training again and eat other things, more vegetables. Yes, and now I just tested if the autopilot is working and it seems to be good. That's cool. Today are really rough conditions because it's raining all the time and thunderstorms and really heavy rainfalls. So I decided to make a tent. I'm still working on the panel and it all gets wet. And after a lot of sanding, the panel is nearly finished. It looks like that now. And now it's done. It's a new panel, new autopilot, depth sounder, starting panel, and here is place for 2 more. It would be nice to have a speed lock and a wind lock. Both panels here are not working in the moment.
Life's a foolish game. Do you ever feel the same? Well, maybe we could change, turn the ship another way. feel it in the darkness, sailing right into those jagged cliffs. Yeah.
Now I'm testing the autopilot. The installation is finished, and so I go for a test ride now, and it's working really good. It's wonderful. I can use the time to make a walk on the boat. It's just for 1 minute, and then I have to take a new waypoint, but it's working perfect. Cool. Dangerous rocks on the left side. Bay, goodbye.
Some say we've always been insane. Hey, life's a foolish game.
I decided to sail back to Panama because I had to finish some projects on and inside the boat, where it's better to have quiet conditions. For my next project I had brought a special spring, which is normally used to clean sewer pipes. My goal was to clean the mast boom and then thread the ref line that was not in since last year.
Relationships and mass extinction. But maybe we can change. We sure can't stay the same, 'cause life's a foolish, foolish game.
My trick was working with this one here. I connected it like that, and the ref line is now back again. Now I'm going to replace this thing here.
My next project was to build a permanent cover for the new dinghy.
Now it looks like that. In some minutes it will look like a permanent cover. After some hours, I think 2 or 3, I don't know, it's done. And I hope that it will hold. We will make a test drive soon. Now I'm working on the anchor winch, and this is what it's looking like now. And now I will build in a remote control with a relay. This is a relay, and this is a remote control. Yes, it's already night. It looks like that now. So it's not so messy as before, and a little bit more complicated because this one is a relay. This is the sender to the remote. What's the remote control sender? One more project finished. Now I want to show you the result of my work from yesterday in the night. And now you will see it live. It's working. Thumbs up.
Preparing the mainsail was my next task.
In the moment I'm working on window covers, and with this shape I cut it and then I put it outside on the windows, and because I have a lot of scratches in the window it looks better. It's quite nice. Yes, today I will put the mast steps on my mast, and I will start very high. Now we will go step by step to the mast top. the first 1, 2, 3, 4 are made. It will go on to the top.
The biggest projects are done. No, the teak deck restoration will follow. But my friend Sigi, the shark man, will join me and we will start sailing. But this and much more you will see in the next episode of the Sailing Family. Thank you so much to all our consistent and new Patreons who support our production. You guys rock! So subscribe to our channel, please support us on Patreon and see you next time. Peace, love and follow your dreams.